Hi everyone, greetings from Dubai. Today we're visiting FoilX Automotive Customization Shop. So, what we're waiting for? Let's go inside. So guys, I have George here with me, who will introduce this company and tell us a bit more about it. Hi George.
Yeah, hi. Good afternoon guys. My name is George. I'm here, I'm the receptionist and for this company. Our company name is FoilX, Auto Repairing Workshop. Actually, my main duties here are to welcome customers and get any inquiries from them and assist them accordingly. So we are here located at the Al Quoz Industrial 1, Al Manara Road, street number 10, and this store number 7. And actually our main services here are, we do car wrapping, that is foiling. We do also detailing and polishing car, ceramic, and also we do car painting. We also do customized, like customizing cars according to customers' needs.
Kind of body kits?
Yes, yeah. We also have carbon fiber and body kits. We also provide that as per the customer's needs. And basically, those are the main, our main services. Yeah.
How many people work in this company? Because you provide a lot of services.
Yes, actually we have 5 departments. We have the painting department. We have the carbon fiber, and that is also modification department. We also have detailing, that is polishing and detailing, car detailing. We also have mechanic department. Those are the main departments. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
It's a big company.
Yeah, it's a big company. Actually, we are consisted of maybe 15 staffs under FoilX currently. Yes.
And as I understand, you make your own carbon fiber, custom carbon fiber, yes?
Yes, we do.
Yeah. This is something that's new for us, because in Australia, none of the wrap shops or car shops making their own carbon fiber. I just know only one company in Sydney who does that, and yeah, it's a very kind of unique thing.
Yes, so we do that.
Okay. In-house?
Yes, in-house. Yes.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Guys, just look at these cars. We have Aventador, 2 Aventadors, C63, Jaguar and Rolls-Royce. I can't wait to hear what's going on with them.
This is our main area where we work. This Lamborghini, we will change the color and we'll remove the body kit, and there is another body kit came in. We have to install that body kit. We'll change the colors of the wheels as well. This Mercedes-Benz, there is some damages. The customer,
As I see,
it's already PPF. Yeah, there is a PPF on that. We'll repair the parts and we'll install the PPF again. We need to refurbish the wheels as well. That Jaguar, it's done.
Okay.
Yeah.
What have you done on it?
We've done a detailing. We painted the wheels. We blacked out all the chrome we blacked out, and we detail and we clean the engine as well.
For blackout, you painting them, yeah?
No, sometimes it depends on the part. Like some parts you cannot wrap them, so we paint them. And some parts we wrap them, because if you will paint them, then you will not get the original part back. It depends. Yeah, it depends on the customer. And this one,
One more Aventador and Rolls-Royce.
it's wrapped already in yellow. The car was silver, so we normally use some good brands, and this is one of them. And it's already done. Only some sort of parts left, some wheel repair left. This car is done already. This we are starting now.
Phantom, Rolls-Royce Phantom.
Yeah, it's for somebody special. So we'll wrap the car and we'll spray paint on it. It's like a removable wrap, but the colors are like, it's not available in the wrap, so we will paint on top of. This is where we are expert, basically.
Okay.
We are doing this since, we are doing since like almost 8 years.
Okay. You wrap cars and spray on top of them.
Yes. Okay. See this one?
Yeah.
Sorry, I interrupted in between. This, it's a carbon fiber bonnet.
Yes.
And from scratch we make this one.
Okay.
So he's polishing it. It's for a GTR, Nissan GTR. Most of the people here, because they want to make their car more fast, they want to reduce the weight of the metal, and this is the best option to do it.
And you make it in-house?
Yeah, we have everything here. This is basically Nissan Petrol Desert Bumper.
Okay.
It's in fiberglass, very strong. We are expert in this also.
Okay.
We make like Lexus, Land Cruiser, Nissan Petrol, new Nissan Petrol, old Nissan Petrol, VTEC Nissan Petrol, all Nissan Petrols we have, all Lexus we have, all Land Cruiser we have, because this part of the world, people, you know, the locals, they went inside the desert, and if they have a big bumper, they always break their bumper. Okay. So this bumper, it's very solid bumper, and it's a small bumper. There is a steel skid plate in it. So we'll show you the finished product as well.
Okay.
These parts, it's done already a peelable paint. You can say there is no paint on it, but there is a peelable product in the base. Okay. Like the peelable paint, it works like there will be like around 7 to 8 coats in the base for the peelable. On top of it, you have to make like 2 coats of a primer. After the primer, you have to do sanding. Once the sanding is done, then it's ready to paint.
Okay.
These parts are done, and the finished product will be something like, you can see this. This all is peelable paint.
Okay.
You can see.
Just like freshly done, yeah?
Yeah, it's a freshly done, but I don't want to remove more because I will lose the piece. You can see. It's a removable paint. Wait a second. I will show you one more thing, like how to bring it down. Yeah.
It's very tough material.
You can see.
Cheers, but okay.
See this?
Yeah.
It's all removable paint, and under it, you can see the original paint.
No,
and this is nothing.
Feels so good, smooth, like paint is not damaged at all.
Yeah, even here you can see, if I will remove now, see,
Comes off so easy.
Yeah. There is like 8 coats of peelable and 2 coats of primer, and then like 3 coats of paint and lacquer. See, and this color is basically very special for these local guys here, Amaratis.
Okay, and actually it's paint and it will last long time, same as paint.
Yes, it will.
And a lot of sun here.
Yeah, there is a lot of sun, but if you are doing a peelable paint on your car, then you have to be very, like, you have to look after your car. Okay. You cannot keep it all the time in the sun. For sure, like in this part of world, it's very hot.
You know,
it's very hot, but you have to keep it like in this way. So, like at least for somebody, like at least for 1 year, you can keep like this. After a year, you can either change the color or either you will remove this peelable thing. In wrap and PPF, mostly we are using either Every is very good in wraps.
Okay.
And in PPF, you can say Hexus. Hexus is very good.
Okay.
So I use both of them, Hexus and Every. You know, globally it's recognized. And even you can see what I'm doing right now. You can see the boxes of Every.
Yeah.
This is, I've done this Lamborghini in Every, and even this black.
How many meters on this roll? 50?
Yeah, it's a 50-meter roll.
Okay.
And this is also, you can see,
You
it's
can just get it in Dubai with no problem, 50 meters roll?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Because in Australia it's 22 meters roll.
No, here in, I think in Dubai it's 25 meter. This is 25 meter, but the basic colors you can get in like black, white, you can get in 50 meter roll. Nice. 50 into 1.52.
And you're making carbon fiber.
No. It's a fiberglass bumper. It's a fiberglass bumper. We are basically, we just created this bumper. Nobody have in the market this bumper.
Okay.
This is something very important. Yeah, these are the bumper, desert bumpers and all bumpers we have inside. These are the molds basically. There is a product inside. Some body kits we are preparing, like we are working on some new projects. It's like that. And this is basically a Nissan bumper for the new Nissan Patrol, the new shape of Nissan Patrol 2020. It's a desert bumper, it's a short bumper. Basically, original bumper is very big, you know.
Okay, yeah.
So this bumper we created, it's one-in-one design, nobody have it. This one, there will be like, there will be LEDs in between. And there you can see, we'll put a steel skip plate. We'll give you the final product as well. So, and there you go, there will be one LED as well, both sides. And it's strong. So you cannot break it.
And you made it in the house?
Yeah, this is all in-house. This is all in-house. We are making, and this gentleman, Oliver, he is making this thing.
You're making everything?
But from scratch, he is making everything. Yeah. Yeah, in this room, everything. You can see I have a GTR parts, I have like Lamborghini, I have Bentley, I have Huracan, I have Aventador. All the parts we are making in-house. We have Mercedes, everything we make in-house.
All these diffusers are made here as well? Yeah.
Everything made here. See, if somebody here, basically, see, the sports cars, they are very low.
Yeah.
And most of the time they break their parts as well. So we repair them here for them.
Okay.
This you can see now. No, don't touch it. It will burn. We repair this one.
I see, guys, it's a new layer of carbon fiber.
Yeah.
This is already in the process, and can you explain us a bit shortly how it's done? Because as you see, you just lay some fresh carbon fiber skin, I don't know how to call it, material, carbon fiber material. And then what's the process of that?
We have two types of cooling for the carbon fiber. This one is called overlay carbon fiber. So my process in my carbon fiber, first, if you have broken parts or missing parts, I do this one. I make sanding first, and then I put chemical also, and I will stick the carbon fiber. This is my work now as well. After this one, you stick already everything to this one. Again, you put chemical. We have 7 times.
Oh, 7 layers.
Yeah. After you mix sanding everything, and then we spray lacquer like that.
Okay. Mentioned before you making this body parts as well. How do you make a template for it? You making template from original car? Or?
No, sometimes we make a mold from original car. Sometimes like these kind of projects will take us like 2 months.
Okay.
Like we need a car and we need what basically customer is looking for. So we make things from scratch.
Okay. And after you made like first template, which takes a long time to make,
yeah.
you have
then
sample?
we'll make mold. After mold, we can take out the product out of it.
And you can do like bumper a week, bumper a...
Yeah, something like this. 1 week, 1 product, and mostly like in a week I can make like two products.
Okay.
But in the same time, he's working on the other things also.
Okay, that's impressive. Do you remember that blue bonnet downstairs? This is a mold for it. This is how it was made, from starting with this shape. Can you tell us your most memorable project?
There is a lot of projects we done. Like some projects we done for some VIPs, but I can't disclose those projects. Like from Sheikh or for some VIPs. But there is one project I done for one VIP guy. He have a Phantom drop head. I'll show you the pictures with you. He want to do his car in a marble.
Marble, okay.
Marble wrap. We make it for him. So he was like very happy with the project, and we are also like it's kind of a challenging product, but we done it. It's
How long a time ago you done this?
I think so. Last month.
Last month? Oh, okay. So I think you
Before whatever we done, like we have done a lot of them. Like we make a lot of body kits. We have done a lot of things. But this one is something like out of.
Some different.
Yeah, it was different. And nobody have it here till now. I didn't see anybody with that marble effect on the car.
That's it for today. Thank you very much FoilX for inviting us and showing us around. I hope this video was enjoyable. It's me, Virus, and I will see you next time.